So here, just talk about on this table, and that is, so we know that they are promised with each other through collusion that they will be given 36 and they will be splitting this half 1800 Jack, 1800 to Jill. Rather, they know that there is incentive to cheat, both will increase the production. So if both will increase the production, they will ended up producing 80 gallon, right? When the price is, and the price decrease 40 because law of demand is there. When quantity increase, price also decrease, right? When quantity increase, price decrease, right? So, and now they are ended up producing 3200, they are getting 2200 divided by 2, answer is 1600, right? So instead of getting 1800 each, everyone is getting 1600, right? Less than what they have promised. So that's why the natural antidote for the cancellation of the cartel or collusion is because there is incentive to cheat. So my question is, does government have to do anything regarding to control this kind of behavior? Because if they become monopoly, they will fix the price and customers are exploited, right? We know that only one market that produces socially efficient quantity or welfare for the society is perfect competition, and all other markets including this oligopolist, monopolistic competition and monopoly, they produce less than the socially required optimum level of output, right? So government should do anything. Government do sometimes government interfere the market, try to find out if there is cartel, and we find out that as a government find out that there's gonna be like huge penalties and fines. So the natural antidote is that after all there is incentive to cheat and firms are interdependent. If one company increases the production, other also increase the production in order to get more share. More share means more profit. So they both ended up producing higher, reducing the price and earning less profit. So rest of the discussion we will continue in our coming slide. So Nash equilibrium is a situation in which economic actors interacted with one another, each choose their best strategy given here the strategies that all the others have chosen. So it means everyone think like Jack, if I produce more than what I contracted. By the way, collusion is illegal. Making cartel is illegal. Why? Because it is not benefit for the society. You will exploit the customer. That's why. So the nature of the collusion and cartel is basically illegal. So there is also incentive because that agreement collusion is not challenged in the court as well, right? So this natural tendency is that everybody will choose their best strategy, right? So the answer for the Jill as well, the Jill will also produce 40 gallon. So both will produce 40-40. This kind of equilibrium is called Nash equilibrium, right? And the answer is both will ended up producing 40-40 gallon. 40-40 gallon means they will both supply total 80 gallon of water into the market. When market, then there is a supply of 80 gallon of water in the market, then price per gallon drop to 40, right? Okay. So when firm in an oligopoly individually chooses production to maximize profit, they produce quantity of output greater than the level of produced by the monopoly and less than the level of produced by competition. Fair enough, right? So what this point is trying to say, we know that The monopoly output is 60. The perfect competition output is 120, right? Perfect competition, right? And as a dualist and as a oligopoly or duopolist, they are producing 80. So what this bullet point trying to say is that when firm is in oligopoly, individually chooses production to maximize profit, they produce higher than the monopoly, right? But lesser than the competition, right? So the tagline is that they produce greater than the monopoly and lesser than the competition, right? And regarding the price levels, the price of the oligopolist is less than the monopoly, right? And what are the prices here? The price is just here. The price of monopoly, it is 60. The competition price is 0, right? Because MC is equal to 0, and MR is equal to also 0 according to that table, right? So oligopolist price is 40, right? So let's now read this second bullet point. The oligopolist price is less than, right? Less than monopoly, right? You see that? If you compare oligopoly price with monopoly, the price of oligopoly is less than the monopoly. Very good thing. And greater than perfect competition price, right? And you can see here this greater than perfect competition. So the quantity and price decision for oligopoly is different for if we compare with the monopoly and perfect competition. Is because with respect to quantity, if you see the quantity here, oligopoly produce more than monopoly but less than perfect competition. The price is that oligopoly price is less than monopoly but greater than perfect competition. That is the crux. So here we go. On this table, if we are monopoly, we would be producing where there is highest profit. But if we are perfect competition here, so oligopoly lies in between. So the price is lesser than monopoly but greater than perfect competition, right? Similarly, the quantity is higher than monopoly but lesser than perfect competition.